Heavy rain suddenly caused by the Atena severe weather in downtown Athens, Greece, on Tuesday, September 10, 2024, created a lot of chaos. Although the rain was brief, it was enough to flood the streets. Not only in Attica, but also in eastern Macedonia, Thrace, Thassos, Samothrace, Lemnos, Agios Eustratios, and Evia, the bad weather caused issues. The heavy rain overwhelmed the drainage systems, causing them to overflow. Sidewalks in downtown Athens were swept away by the water. Main roads on Mesogean Avenue, Attica, and Achaia Street turned into fast-moving rivers, necessitating intervention from the fire department. Specifically, flooding occurred in Patissia, Exarchia, Kalanaki, Galatsi, Kypseli, Psychiko, Evangelismos, and Ampelokapoi. Many cars and motorcycles were trapped in the deep floodwaters. Messages urging residents to avoid unnecessary travel were sent to many areas. The strong flood currents flowing through the heart of the capital swept away everything in their path. People are in danger and property is submerged.